Okay, guys. We are gonna add the details now. I just added in the background. I don't think you guys wanted to see that, but I'm gonna add some details, and we're also gonna color in this video. So, stay tuned. Okay. We gotta get that in. Now, what you want to do is you want to make a little dark spot right there to get toothless in that. And then you want to do this. Just watch now. I don't think you guys want to see this, so okay, now this is gonna be, so I just added in all the scales on Toothless. Now we're gonna color in his tailpiece. See? And look, I finished the background in the last video, but I didn't make the background. You didn't see me make the background at all. But next we should do details on Hiccup, maybe. Yep, I am gonna try to make it look more focused. Maybe like rounder eyes.
My paper towels, Mom.
Oh, they're over here. I'll put them over here.
That looks kind of creepy. Maybe like that. Now that looks like he's scared.
I don't know why they're here.
Well, I guess because they're still.
No, that looks better. Then he's like.
Well, that's fine. Then go on top.
Is he like the? Yes, he is weird. I just can't stop myself from laughing at this. He's holding a fish in his hand that has details that we're gonna make the details. This video is about the details, not about. Okay, trying to make the fish, and he has a fin, and then there. That's good. Guys, I'm gonna color it now. I didn't fully color it, but you guys can go with the same colors ideas I do. I didn't fully color it. Like some of this looks like a 2-year-old did it. Yes. So before we end this video, I just want to shout out to my mom for letting me use up all her memory for making these videos. Shout out, Mom, in the comments, everybody. And like and subscribe. Bye.